What's up, monkeys? You guys wanted to see the Rockford subs before I shipped them. So I ended up using the 3 HP coil. I only have the dual 2s left, so I only used half of the coil, but I kept both halves on there. That way it fills the gap and acts as a heat sink. So yes, you can do that, because I fucking did it, and it works fucking great. It ends up being a 2-layer coil, which is what a dual 2, dual 4. If it starts out as 4 layers, you wire them in parallel, guess what? Now it's a 2-layer. So FS is about 30 hertz, which is perfect for these. I used a single red spider from Lord of Bass, and it turned out pretty good, mostly because the coil is pretty light. It's all aluminum. So, but it was good enough for T.C.O.Z. I don't know why it's good enough for other people, or it's not good enough. You guys are some picky bitches, uninformed motherfuckers. Rockford terminals, single 2 ohm. Happy Saturday, motherfuckers. Love you.